Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all the secrets, the tea, how you can get that glowy skin, that plump looking skin. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you all some important secrets behind how people or how me I'm able to achieve a glowy looking skin like this. The first secret has to do with using gentle skincare products, starting with gentle cleansing. Now, the reason why using a gentle cleanser is very important if you know you want to get that glowy, brighter looking skin is because when you make use of products that are very harsh on your skin, when you're always making use of harsh cleansers on your skin, the first thing is that it can increase your skin sensitivity. It will begin to leave your skin feeling irritated, looking red, like your skin will just be easily sensitized. That's the first danger of using harsh products or harsh cleansers. Then the second one is that most of all these harsh cleansers has the ability to strip moisture out of your skin. Now when we are talking about glowy skin, radiant looking skin, moisture, skin's moisture and skin's hydration is very important. Now, a harsh cleanser, using a harsh cleanser has the ability to strip your skin's moisture from your skin, thereby giving you that drier looking skin instead of leaving your skin looking and feeling moisturized. So that's another reason why gentle cleansers are important. Then another reason why you should use a gentle cleanser instead of always using harsh cleansers is because when you are always using harsh products, harsh cleansers on your skin every day, day in, day out, it can actually lead to a damaged skin barrier. Now, when it also comes to glowing skin, I've said this couple of times on my channel and I'm going to repeat it again. There is no how you can get a glowy looking skin, okay, if you have a damaged skin barrier. It's not possible. Like when your skin barrier is damaged, it is going to show on your skin. Your skin is not going to look healthy. Your skin is going to look dull. Your skin is not going to look plumped. Okay, so that is the reason why you need to make sure that you are not always using harsh cleansers. You can make use of face fact cleanser. I believe they have face fact ceramide cleanser. It is a good gentle cleanser you can make use of, and it contains ceramides that will help you with your skin barrier. And then another good brand you can make use of is CeraVe. CeraVe is popular, is more popular than face fact. Face fact is less expensive compared to CeraVe, and yet face fact is also a very nice gentle face cleanser that you can make use of. So making use of gentle cleanser is one of the secrets if you want to achieve that healthy glowy skin. Now another secret, and this might be a little bit controversial to the first one I mentioned to you, that is exfoliating the skin. Yes, I know I said that you should make use of gentle skincare products. Now, just as how making use of gentle cleanser is important, it is the same way exfoliating the skin is important. Now, if you don't exfoliate your skin, how do you expect the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin to be removed? Now, it's until that dead skin cells on the surface of your skin has been exfoliated, has been removed, that is when a more like a new skin cell can be formed. I don't know if you're understanding the what I'm trying to say. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm actually explaining. Exfoliating the skin is important. Yes, if you want to get that youthful, radiant looking skin, exfoliating the skin is important because, like I said, it will help you to remove dead skin cells, thereby promoting a newer one. When you exfoliate your skin, it will help other of your skincare products to be able to penetrate better into your skin. That's another benefit of exfoliating the skin. Exfoliating the skin also can help you promote a more radiant looking skin. Okay, if you notice, have you ever gone like weeks, several weeks or months without exfoliating your skin, and then all of a sudden you came back, you said, let me start exfoliating my skin? If you've done that, have you ever noticed a difference? I have actually tried that before. I have gone like 2 weeks. I actually went 2 weeks without exfoliating my skin. I wanted to try it out and see if there is going to be a difference in exfoliating the skin. And I noticed the difference. I noticed when I came back to exfoliating my skin began to feel smoother. My skin began to look more radiant. I just noticed the change. The change in my skin was there. Now, this is where people might now make mistake when it comes to exfoliating the skin. Now, despite the fact that exfoliating your skin is very important, you should also know that you should not overdo it, because it is when you overdo it that it will now lead to sensitized skin. It is going to lead to irritated skin. It will lead to a damaged skin barrier. That is when you overdo it. Now, generally speaking, people would say exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week, right? Yes, that is the general rule, and that is the same thing I'm going to say. And another thing I'm going to say is that if you know that your skin, maybe at this stage, your skin cannot tolerate up to 2 times, maybe it's only once, then go for it. Just exfoliate your skin once in a week. But if you know your skin can tolerate more than once, then you can do 2 times, you can do 3 times. But make sure you don't exceed 3 times in a week. So that's the first thing. And then another thing again is that do not use your body scrubs on your face. Okay? The scrubs that are made for the body, do not use it on your face. The reason why I said this is because your face is delicate compared, the skin on your face is delicate compared to the skin on your body. Products that are formulated for your body are different from products that are formulated for your face. So when you make use of a product that is harsh, it's specifically formulated for the body, and you now make use of that product on your face, have you understood why I said don't do that? It is actually going to like be harsh on your face. So that's another mistake. The first one I said, do not over exfoliate. The second one I said, do not use an exfoliating product that is meant for your body. Do not use it on your face. Now, the third one again is that there are two types of exfoliation. We have physical exfoliation and we have chemical exfoliation. Now, physical exfoliation tends to be harsher on the skin compared to chemical exfoliation. Yes, when you make use of a physical scrub and when you make use of a chemical exfoliant, you will notice that the chemical exfoliant is less harsh on your skin compared to the physical exfoliant. Okay, so if you have like a sensitive skin, okay, or maybe your skin cannot generally tolerate a physical scrub, then make use of a chemical exfoliant. Me personally, I make use of chemical exfoliants, and the chemical exfoliant I make use of is the ordinary glycolic acid toner. This is what the product looks like. Now, the next secret to getting that glowy, plump looking skin, and this is something that I feel like some people overlook, and that is skin hydration. When you talk about skin hydration, this is where making use of toners, essence, hydrating serums, hydrating moisturizers. This is where all this type of product comes into play. Now, people will be like, oh, making use of a toner is not important. Making use of an essence is not important. You can say it's not important. I am not here to argue with you whether it is important or it is not important. But what I'm trying to tell you is that if you want the added, that added boost of hydration, if you want your skin to be looking plump, glowy, you definitely need to, even if you cannot maybe afford to bring in toner, essence, everything into your skincare routine. Maybe you don't have enough money to bring in all those. You can bring in one. Like me personally, I mostly love using essence. And the essence I use is a very popular product, and that is the COSRX essence. I love that product. Like that product is very good when it comes to hydrating my skin. I notice anytime I make use of that product on my skin literally looks so hydrated. Like it takes the hydration game, the hydration level of my skin from a 1 to like let's say 10. It leaves my skin literally so hydrated, glowy, radiant for the whole of the day. Now imagine bringing in toners. Have you ever wondered how do all these Korean people get this glass glowy skin? If you notice, they are always using a form of toners, a form of essence, or a form of hydrating moisturizer in their skincare routine. If you notice that, if you've watched them, I don't know if you've noticed it, but I always notice this. Once I type Korean skincare routine, maybe on YouTube, on TikTok, or anywhere, once I just type Korean skincare routine, know how, I must see essence, I must see toner in their skincare routine. and you're wondering, how can I actually get this glowy skin these Korean people actually get? My skin is not even up to there. Like my skin, I still want my skin to get up to that stage, and I know that more hydration is there. And time to time, as time goes on, I want to start putting, like, investing more on buying more toners, buying more essence, because for me, I don't know for you, but for me, I love my skin looking glowy, bouncy. Okay, I love my skin looking that way. And I've noticed that hydration is the key. Skin hydration is the key to that glowy skin. If you want that glowy skin, and what better way can you bring in enough skin hydration if it's not through toners or essence? So just to cut it short, okay, if you want a glowy skin, like essence toners are actually very important. Like that is another secret as to why, as to how people are getting the glowy skin. Now, also in the aspect of hydration, hydration is not just about on the outward. Like hydration is also important from the inward. And you all already know what I'm trying to say. And that has to do with drinking water. Yes, it is not just about making use of like skincare product that will help you to hydrate your skin. You also need to drink water. Drink enough water. When you drink adequate amount of water, okay, it is going to help you hydrate your skin. It will help you hydrate your body. It is very important for your body, your whole body system in general, but this video is mainly focused on the skin, right? So as it's helping you with your body, okay, it is also going to help you with the, like, the appearance of your skin. Okay, it is actually going to boost that more hydrated looking skin. So I'm not going to dwell too much on this water aspect, but that is another secret when it comes to hydration, or when it comes to getting that glowy skin. That's another secret. Most of these people drink enough water. Yes, they do, and me too. I also drink enough water, or I try to drink enough water day to day. Now the next secret is making use of an SPF. If you do all these steps, you use a gentle cleanser, you exfoliate your skin, you use hydrating skincare products, and you expose yourself to the sunlight without making use of good sunscreen, it's just like you're wasting your money. It's better you don't just put in all the steps, because you're wasting your money. The sun is going to, like, reverse. It's going to give you reverse action. And when your skin, like when you keep exposing yourself, your skin to the sunlight without protecting your skin with sunscreen, it is going to further lead to sun damage. And when it leads to sun damage, it can lead to a damaged skin barrier. Can lead to a more sensitized skin. Can you see that it's not even just using harsh products or over exfoliating your skin that can trigger or can damage your skin barrier or can trigger skin sensitivity, even sun damage. And when your skin is now damaged by sunlight, you will now start asking, oh, how can I get rid of sun damage? My skin, this place is looking darker than this place. My skin is not looking radiant. So sun exposure can actually prevent you from having that glowy, radiant looking skin. And that is the reason why when you're using sunscreen, you should go for sunscreen that contains at least an SPF of 30, at least an SPF of 30. Now, the next tip is a healthy skin barrier. Now, I know I have been talking about other tips and I've been linking it to a healthy skin barrier, and I am still talking about this healthy skin barrier, and that is because it is important. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this as another point is because, okay, if you have a damaged skin barrier right now, I will not advise you to exfoliate your skin. Okay, you need to even avoid exfoliants. Yes, and you need to avoid other harsh ingredients like vitamin C. Okay, like retinol. Okay, those type of ingredients are not good for people that has a damaged skin barrier. But you can actually make use of the hydrating product I talked about. As a matter of fact, it's better you use more of hydrating, moisturizing, soothing, gentle products if you have a damaged skin barrier. If you know you want to get that radiant, that glowy looking skin, and you know you have a damaged skin barrier, you can definitely get it. Okay, but what you have to do is you first of all focus on repairing your skin barrier. When you've repaired your skin barrier, then you now start, like I said, as you're repairing your skin barrier, be using all those hydrating products. Be doing things that will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, that are gentle on your skin. Your skin barrier will be able to get, like, healed. You'll be able to repair your skin barrier faster and better. Now, like I said, I'm not going to talk too much about the skin barrier, and the reason is because I have actually filmed a detailed video on how you can actually repair your skin barrier. So my love, if you know you really want that glowy skin and you know your skin barrier is damaged, then I will advise you to check that video out and work on your skin barrier. You will notice that your skin will begin to look glowy, radiant, and plumped. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link of that, how you can repair your skin barrier, over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.